Hey there, Cosmic Nuts, Cosmic Naughties, and of course you Cosmic Cucks, and welcome to the first installment of Out in My Element. Yeah, this is going to be a little series I put together about when I go and do stuff outside of the slabs. It's got kind of double meaning because I own an element and it takes me out, as well as I feel kind of chameleon-like and I can adapt and be in any environment sort of thing. So I figured, why not make these little things? And today I'm going to see Taylor Tomlinson up at the Brea Improv, and it's an afternoon show. So after that, I'm going to go see the Pacific Ocean for the first time and meet up with Joyce. So yeah, let's get going, shall we? So yeah, Lager thought I did make it up to Brea. Got a little bit of time, gonna pregame before getting into the show. Hopefully gonna get in line and get up front. We shall see though. Tomlinson show was fucking hilarious. After I got done with that, I hopped in Lagrathon in my element and darted over to Sunset Beach, meeting up with Joyce, and gonna go put my feet in the Pacific Ocean and watch the sunset. So yeah.